Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to blend colors in Krita. First, select the brush tool and open the brush presets docker. Krita has several blending methods, but the most common are the smudge and blender brushes. To use the smudge or blender brushes, just search for them in the brush presets. Good examples of these are Blender Basic, Blender Blur, Smudge Soft, or Smudge Water. Click and drag over the colors you want to blend, usually between where the colors would meet or the midtones. You can adjust opacity and size in the toolbar to control how smooth or strong the blending is. For more precise blending, work on high-resolution layers and gradually build up color with multiple strokes. Lower opacity brushes create smoother gradients, while higher opacity brushes give sharper transitions. And that's how you blend colors in Krita. Thanks for watching.